Hello everybody and welcome here. So we will discuss about father of different fields of biology. Now the first one is father of modern cytology. Father of modern cytology is Swanson. Now the next is father of cytology. The father of cytology is Robert Hooke. Next is father of microscopy. The father of microscopy is Antonie van Leeuwenhoek. Next is father of microscopic anatomy. The father of microscopic anatomy was Marcello Malpighi. Next is father of plant anatomy. The father of plant anatomy was N. Grew. Next is father or founder of histology. The father or founder of histology was Francis Bacon. Next is father of comparative anatomy. The father of comparative anatomy was George Cuvier. Next is father of anatomy. The father of anatomy was Andreas Vesalius. Next is father of botany and ecology. The father of botany and ecology was Theophrastus. Next is father of polygenic inheritance. The father of polygenic inheritance was Kölreuter. Father of medicine. The father of medicine was Hippocrates. Next is father of biology, zoology and embryology. The father of biology, zoology and embryology was Aristotle. Next is father of modern genetics. The father of modern genetics was Bateson. Next is father of genetics. The father of genetics was Gregor Mendel. Next is father of gene therapy. The father of gene therapy was Anderson. Next is father of Indian paleobotany. The father of Indian paleobotany was Birbal Sahni. Next is father of eugenics. The father of eugenics was Francis Galton. Next is father of parasitology. The father of parasitology was Platter. Burman of India. The Burman of India was Salim Ali. Next is father of biochemical human genetics. The father of biochemical human genetics was Archibald Garrod. Father of experimental genetics. The father of experimental genetics was T. M. Morgan. Next is father of genetic engineering. The father of genetic engineering was Paul Berg. Next is father of virology. The father of virology was Stanley. Next is father of modern botany. The father of modern botany was K. Bohin. Next is father of DNA printing. The father of DNA printing was Ali Jeffrey. The father of chromatography is Michael Tiswet. Next is father of concept of evolution was Empedocles. Next is father of radiation biology. The father of radiation biology was Muller.